I had just moved to Hollywood. I was dirt poor. I was sleeping in a kitchen. I had met a booking agent that knew of a hotel that had a piano in their lobby. And they said, hey, they want to see you go and perform. That booking agent basically takes 10% of anything that I would make because they made the connection. They were acting as my booking agent and I had given them permission to do so. So I showed up at the hotel. I knew one song. They tried to make me go to rehab. I said, no, no, no. They booked me. I quickly learned a bunch of other cover songs. I got my original music together as well. And I started performing 5 nights a week. They paid me a little over $200 a day, and then I would make tips. I would sell my merchandise. It was awesome. It was my first gig. What a lot of artists don't realize is you can make a lot of money just off of one venue. You can make your entire living off of it. People think they have millions of fans and millions of venues. Guess what? That was just one hotel that said yes. And this is not abnormal. There's hotels, lobbies, casinos, resorts, cruise ships, venues all over the world that have budgets to pay artists like this. I'm thankful for that one booking agent that I had because they went out and they actually did the work, and they even booked me for more gigs from that, and they took a 10% commission, and then I got to perform and do what I love, and that led to so many more opportunities for me. Check the description and I'll send you a link of our list of booking agents that book shows for artists all over the country.